Hey guys, well I thought I'd get back to doing some reviews, and a few months ago tacticaldefensegear.com sent me a knife to I guess have a look at, and it's been a while now, and I've been using it and things like that. You know, in-depth testing, as you saw before. No, I've just been using it as an everyday carry kind of knife, and it's held up well. I'm a big fan of the kind of ubiquitous, kind of purposeful knives that won't break the bank. For instance, for bushcraft and hiking and stuff like that, I like the old Swedish Mura knife. This one is not expensive at all. It's I don't know, maybe set you back like $14 or so, and it is a very good knife. The knife that they sent me was the Humvee Recon HMV-KTR-04, and it is actually quite a solid knife. I was quite surprised of the weight of it. It's got a real metal weight to it, which is it's kind of nice actually. Makes it feel more steady in your hand. But it does have the ambidextrous thumb stud there for easy opening, and I'll zoom in a little bit more here in a minute. But what I like most about this knife is that it just does what it's supposed to. Nothing outrageously special about it. It's a great EDC knife, and what I like about these kinds of knives that are pretty I guess inexpensive is the fact that if you were to lose one, it's not going to break the bank to get a new one, and that's what I like. And it also does what it's supposed to. The actual knife, I'll give you an up close view of it. As you can see, it's got a partially serrated tento blade, and it was actually very sharp right out of the box, which is always a nice thing. There you can see the thumb studs for easy opening. It's got a black metal finish to the whole knife, and it's got a kind of a checkered grip here too, and it's got a hole for a lanyard to pass through. The locking mechanism itself, you can see here. Try to bend it back, so it's fairly secure. The pocket clip, and what I like is it's a fairly solid pocket clip, so as you can see, it's not going to go anywhere. And yes, the knife is made in China, but so far that has not been a problem in terms of quality, because I think they have pretty much a good at least this knife. I know you can probably buy a knife of this version that probably sucks, but the one I got has worked very well for me. And yeah, that's basically the Humvee tactical folding recon knife, and thanks to Tactical Defense Gear that sent this to me. This one ranges from, I think, $13 to $16, depending if they're having a sale or something like that. So it is a very inexpensive everyday carry knife, and it's about fully extended. It's about 8 inches long, and when it's folded up, it's about 4.6 inches. So, and like I said, it's got some weight to it, which is nice as well. And I actually do not know what the material is that this knife was made out of. Obviously, This is metal, but I don't know if this is what kind of steel or something like that this is made out, because I could not find it on the box it came with or on the web at all. So if you guys know what it is, leave it in the comment box and let people know